Hi guys, Jeff here again from TaT. Just to let all our members know that the December Share Your Solution or your scan data uploads, the prize this month is again from AZ Scanners, and it's an advanced all system scan tool. So this is your basic sort of entry level scan tool, great as a second or third or as a backup from your main sort of tool. It does all the normal sort of things, your general scanning, diagnostic fault codes, your PIDs, your parameter IDs, etc. Does a lot of the resetting, service resets, rear electric brake setting, all that sort of stuff. So a basic good entry level scan tool, again for a young tech that's starting off wants a tool, or as the second or third backup to the ones you've got in your own workshop. So a great little, good, well priced to the market as well. So any member that uploads any scan data and or good scope scan data and or a repair solution in December will go into the draw. We're going to do the draw on Christmas Eve on the 24th about lunchtime, and then we'll upload that video so someone will get an early Christmas present. Hopefully everyone's keeping busy in this last minute rush into Christmas, but again, great reason just to upload a bit of scan data or a repair solution to go into the draw. See you next time.